Somassage introduces the principles of Soma structural integration. We're working with the fascia, we're working with the neurology, we're working with circulatory functions, working with joint structure. We're putting that all together in one entire whole body system. That just is a really special and powerful package that you can use right away in order to get results. We realized that one of the only ways to do that is to actually embody the work, to actually experience what it feels like to get your whole system functioning, working together, talking together. You have to be able to experience that in your own system in order to transmit that to another person.
Exactly, but this one you can... Unlike maybe other courses in bodywork where you're just learning a technique, we're really interested in teaching a philosophy about how to be with another person. In the workshop, you will learn how to work on their tissue, how to work on fascia, how to give them a really amazing session that addresses their whole body. And you will learn how to work with their mind and their spirit in a way that is really respectful and allows them to experience their body even deeper.
But the fascia is communicating. That's what's really cool, is like I can feel, and I can feel it system-wide. And that's what makes it so powerful, is that we're like a little bit here, a little bit there, but then, oh, my whole system gets to readapt.
Taking a Somassage workshop is so valuable because it offers anyone the opportunity to try out the work, to try touching bodies, to try being in the practitioner role and see how it feels to really connect with somebody in that way.
We're in direct contact with that nervous system, right? We're building neuromuscular awareness. We're helping people to remap pathways. And we're also creating that mind-body connection as we work on them.
And then you're trying to come up towards the ASIS, towards that hip bone. Yep. There you go. Nice. That looks great.
It'd be kind of like, you know, would you guys like to hear another 2 or 3 fascia lectures today? You're like, I got enough.
It lays the foundation for our full structural integration training. And so it gives you a little taste. It gives you an experience of how it feels to do the work, and how does it feel in my body, but how does it feel in my being to take all of the concepts, those core concepts, and practice them. Then you can start to imagine what it would be like to offer that every day in your work, and how meaningful and transformational it is to be able to do work that really makes a difference for people. It's an honor to be able to offer that to folks every day that we're at work.